Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. So in today's video I will be sharing a quick unboxing of a small portion of the new fall winter makeup collection update by Catrice Cosmetics. So I got this one sent out by one of my regular PR companies. Thank you so much for sending this out to me. I always really appreciate it, and I am really curious to see what other products will be in stores soon. So this is the fall winter collection update. So as I mentioned, it's a small portion of what the entire new update will be. Of course, you can definitely Google it if you want to see all of the products, but of course, if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But because I am focusing mostly on nail polishes, nail art and anything nail related here at my YouTube channel, I am just going to quit the rambling, put a little bit of relaxing music for the rest of the video, and I will leave all of the details about this product, such as pricing and just the names of it, in the description box down below. So this is just a quick extra video for this Sunday afternoon, and I will be definitely sharing some swatches and all that jazz more on these makeup products at my Instagram account. So definitely follow me at femketjeNL at Instagram if you want to see more about these products. But thank you so much for watching on beforehand. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video as well.
put the lime in the coconut. She call it Dr. Coconut Starter. Ain't there nothing I can take a set. Starter. Leave his belly, leave his big a set. Starter. Ain't there nothing I can take a set. Starter. Leave his belly, leave his big a set.